Thank God you're 5,000 light years away, because this right here is called the Rotten Egg Nebula. Its real name is the Calabash Nebula, but it gets the nickname from the large amounts of sulfur it has. This new photo from NASA and the European Space Agency shows the star changing from a red giant to a planetary nebula. In layman's terms, it's dying, just very, very slowly. It still has 1,000 years before it's done becoming a planetary nebula. Although it looks small in pictures, the Rotten Egg Nebula is 8 trillion miles long. Yellow gas fired from the central star is currently moving at over 620,000 miles per hour. Our own sun will eventually go through this same process. Luckily, it's scheduled for 7 to 8 billion years from now. Hopefully, it's a less stinky ordeal. Fingers crossed for a cooler name too, like the Tarantula Nebula, the Cat's Paw Nebula, or the Bubble Nebula.